time.
Hours at 10 a.m. and 12 local time.
How did you just now die? This thing was just alive.
The test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Receptions broadcasting, especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability is normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter. Can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated. For hazardous watches, warnings for the following counties in Oklahoma: Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Cree, Cole, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, Floor, Maine, McIntosh, Muskot, Yobana, Boat, Keel, Malden, Sage, Ottawa, Wyoming, Pittsburgh, Wichita, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington, and in Arkansas. Then take care of Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington, and Missouri, McDonald, and Berry counties, and in Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery counties. This concludes this week's set of the No Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. We now return to our normal program. The forecast for the Tulsa area, including much of northeast Oklahoma. Today, sunny. Highs in the upper 90s. Light winds. Heat index reading is 100 to 140 in the afternoon. Tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Light winds. Heat index reading is 100 to 102 in the evening. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 90s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Okay.
Index reading is
We
100
should
to
now fail
104.
actually.
Thursday
And
night,
of course,
clear.
that one,
Lows in the
because it
mid-70s.
died.
South winds 10 to 15 miles per
And
hour. Friday,
this
sunny.
one, because it's never gone off.
South
I
winds
can't
10 to
remember to.
15 miles per hour.
And
Friday night,
this one can
clear.
go off.
Lows in the lower 70s. Saturday.